lesson 6 notes. You will be studying here order of operations and percentages. They're quite easy topics, but okay. So let me start by saying, let's calculate a minus 2 plus 1. This is equal, what's 8 minus 2 plus 1? Okay, Muhammad said. Ansimos, you raised your hands. Okay, just say answer, Ansimos. Just say the answer. You don't have to raise your hands. Okay, a minus 2 plus 1. Try to use the calculator. Try to use the calculator and see the answer. So some people said 7, and some people said 5. What's the correct answer? Okay. The calculator says 7, so it's 7. Okay, it's 7. 7 is correct. Okay, 7. So why did we say 7, not 5? Why did we say 7, not 5? Yeah, okay. Okay, BIDMAS rule. That's correct. But the addition and subtraction are have the same order. Same order, right? They have the same order. So what about 6a plus 2 minus 1? What would be that? What would be the answer for that? It's 9. Yeah. Let me get a more trickier example. 1 plus it's okay. So here we added first, then subtracted, and here we subtracted first, then added, because it's sort of BIDMAS rule. Bed, actually, it's, you can say bed mass. Like, why are you wearing the mask on your when you're on your bed? So it's bed mask. You can say bed mask if you want to memorize it. Bed mask, anyways. Okay, so we said so because we knew the rule. So who made this rule? A good question. Who made it? Who? Let me get a nice color. The white color looks nice on the. Who made this rule? A mathematician. Very general answer, like who who invented the car? A human being. Yeah, a human being invented the car, but yeah, no, not Pythagoras. So basically, we people, mathematicians, agreed upon this rule to unify the way people calculate, or let's say make calculations everywhere, so that a minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7, not 7. and not 5. So not 5. We agreed. Okay, how do you know for what's first? We'll come to that. Okay, so basically, we mathematicians sort of agreed upon that. Even if someone made the rule, other people agreed to be using this rule, and sort of this was the standard of it. Okay, so let's move further. So B, oh, B I D M A S. So that's brackets. Brackets. What's I for? What's I for, guys? Indices. Good. And D is for division. And M is multiplication. And A is addition. And S is subtraction. So let's add something to that rule. Something I think, let's say, not new, but so these and these. We do what comes first. We do what comes first, okay? For example, A minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. Not 5, because the subtraction before the addition. Is it okay for everyone until up to here? Indices is equal to power. Equal to power. Indices, and it's equal to exponents. So indices equal power equal exponents. Let me, the power is equal to exponents. Okay, let me write it nicely. Equal powers, exponents. Okay, let's take some examples. Actually, if anyone is interested in sort of majoring in computer science, knowing this rule and applying it correctly is very important, because the computer sort of follows this rule. So if you, I've once entered in sort of, I told the computer, do, for example, 8 times 6 plus 3 minus 1. So, and I did not make this brackets. And boo, the incorrect answer. Incorrect answer without brackets. So the computer itself, computer uses this rule, bed mass rule. Okay, so the computer uses it. So beware if you want to major in computer science, if you're taking computer science next year, beware of it. Okay, let's continue. Let's take an example. Let's take this one. A times 6 divided 5 plus 3. Let's take it, let's say, let's make it 3 power 4. Charging my it's good. I have 27%. I think it will be good for the entire lecture. So 8 times 6 plus divided 5 plus 3 power 4. What would be the answer? So Shahd, I think you used the calculator, right? Did you guys use the calculator, right? So basically it looks like that. 8. You first say first 8 times 6, right? Then let's say no. First of all, 3 power 4 is equal to what? 3 power 4 is equal to 27. 27, 3 times power 2 is 29, 81. Then second thing to do is it 8 times 6. So let's put that will be here 81, 81, 1. Second thing to do is 8 times 6. That would be here. What's 8 times 6? 8 times 6 is 48. 48. 48 divided by number 3. Third, that would be divided 5, which would be here, divided 5. Then number 4, fourth, and that would be plus the addition. So here it is. Plus add it. So 48 divided by 5. I don't know the answer. Let me get the calculator. 48 divided by 5 plus 81, 90.6. Okay, it's a very easy topic, but let's take another example to ensure that you kind of grasp it correctly. Let me get the book. Mm-hmm. So 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2 divide 6 power 2. What will be the answer? Don't use the calculator, please. Don't use the calculator. The calculator. Try to solve it yourself. Okay, correct. The answer. You got the answer correctly, guys. Good. Okay, cancel. Participants. 18 participants join. Okay. So we would say that 9 plus 16 over 36. Okay. 25 over 36. Let's leave it like that. Okay. Let's try another harder example. Hmm. Don't we do the division? Okay, I just don't have a calculator in my hand. 1 minute. I'm in my room. I'll get a calculator. Okay, I have one now. Okay, 25 divided 36. That'll be 0.9, 0.694444. 0.69444. So this is what? What is that? I mean, what number is that? What is that called? Can you remember? Irrational? No, not irrational. It's called recurring decimal. Recurring decimal. It's a rational number because we can write it as a fraction. Here it is. You got that? You can try to convert it if you want. So let's say 0.69444 equal x. Then 100x would be equal to 694444. So next equal to 0.69444. That would cancel out. No, that will not cancel out actually. 60. Oh, it canceled out. Nice. That'll be 68.75. That'll be 99x. So x would be 99, 68, 99. If you do that in the calculator, that would be 25 over 36. Can you remember that, guys? Or did you forget this lesson? Yes, good. If someone did not attend this lesson, you can find the recording on YouTube. Okay, let's move forward. I want to get a harder example. The examples in the book are very easy. Okay. Three over 2 plus squared. Let's say divided 4 minus 1 times 2. I think it wouldn't get a harder example. It's very hard already. So any suggestions? What's the first thing should I do? Okay, you can have a sort of a refresher for everything we studied. Once we finish the numbers, we can make sort of a very quick revision on that on them. Okay, good. Actually, it's 1/2 all squared, not 1 squared over 2 squared, which is 1/2. So 1, not many. 2 all squared, 1 squared over 2 squared, which is equal 1/4. Okay, it's good. So let me right here 1/4. 4. So 1/4 plus 3/2. Let's add them. 1.5. That'll be 1.75 divided 4 minus 1 times 2. So is it 3 times 2 or is it 4 minus 2? Over 2. Okay, good. So 1.75 divided by 2. That's open 875. So did you get it, guys? I don't think it can get harder problems, but we can check the past papers. Anyways, after we finish the numbers, I will give you sort of a big homework that we would solve the classified paper. So yeah, get ready for a big homework soon. A very easy last example. Sir, I don't understand the last question. Okay, what don't you understand? What don't you don't understand? I actually closed, one of the reason I closed the mics from all the sort of epic things that might happen is that when you write the question, you get time to sort of think about it, and you sort of think of what exactly don't you understand. Okay, how you got the answer? Okay, let's rewrite the question. 3/2 plus 1/2 squared divided by 4 minus 1 times 2. Okay, Karma, are you with me? Sorry, I was talking with my mother. Okay, I'm back. So Karma, are you with me? So 3/2 plus 1/2 per half, sorry, per 2, all divided by 4 minus 1 times 2. Okay, what's the first thing that we shall do? The power. Karma. Expand brackets. Okay. Expand brackets, number 1. Expand brackets. So can we expand 3/2 plus 1/2 power per 2? Can we expand that? We must uh, expand the power. To expand the bracket. Okay, Karma? We must expand the power to expand the bracket. We can't expand the bracket without expanding the power. Okay. So that will be 1/4 plus 3/2 divided 4 minus 1 over. That will be 1.75 divided. Here we have the same problem. We have to calculate 4 minus 1 times 2 in order to sort of expand the bracket. Or so, let's say, not expand, let's solve the bracket. Let's say solve the bracket. Solve the bracket. So that'll be 4 minus 2 will be 2. 1.75, that would be a 1.87. 0.875. Yeah, that's correct. So did you get it, Karma? Okay, good. So we're done with the order of operations. Do you have any question, guys? Anyone have any question regarding the order of operations? No, good. So let's open another PDF. Lesson 6. Percentages. We're good in time. Okay. Do you like the blue screen, or should I sort of get a white one? Blue is good, right? Okay. It's okay. Okay. So percentages. So you go to shopping mall. You find an iPhone 12 Pro Max with 15% discount. So what does that mean? price decreased. Yeah, can you be more sort of descriptive? Okay, very good, Kunos. 15% of the price of the original price is deducted. So how much is it? iPhone 12 Pro Max, 1 TB memory, the highest specs that you can get. I think it's about 500, $1,500. Oh, 65K EGP? Are you serious? Anyways, that's probably 500. Oh, 5,500 Saudi Real. Oh, so that's let me calculate it to EGP. Oh, that's what 24,750 EGP. So what's the price after the discount? Oh, 65K is the Mac. What's the price after the discount? 21 3 sorry 0. Let me get the answer. Oh, 7. Yeah, it's 0.7, 21K. So is it better that they have said we have a 15% decrease, or say open 500 of its original price? What's more attractive, 15% or open 1.5? 15p, yeah. So 15% sort of yeah, it's a big number. What about if we send, okay, 20% of students get A star in O level math? So 20% of students get A star in O level math. Is it better to say that, or 2 in 10 students get A star in O level math? What's better, 20% or 2 in 10? So 2 in 10 if I gives you a sense that less people will actually get A star, right? But 20% will sort of will give you hope that we get an A star. They are the same, but the wording differs. Two, they are exactly the same, but the way that you use the words make people understand it differently. If you said 2 in 10, people sort of this is not a big number, but if you had 20% of students get that, we sort of I can get an A star. Actually, this idea is used in marketing. I just said I would tell you about it. But anyways, it's used in marketing. The wording is very sort of sensible. It might attract more customers. So they usually use percentages. But okay, so percentages make our lives easier. Yeah, it's all about words, not calculations yet. So percentages make our lives easier. That's why we use them. We use them. Okay. So 29 over 100. That's equal to 29%. If 29 students got A star in O-level physics, from 100 students, what's the percentage of students getting A star? %29%, yeah. Okay. What if we had 50 students in the class? Not 100. What would be the percent? $29 over 50 times 100. That would be 58%. So the percentages makes it easier for you to get a sense of the amount of students getting A star, right? When it's 29, when the student count was 100, and we told you that there was 29 students getting A star, you automatically got that, okay, 29 students got A star, 29%. But however, when we change the number of students from 100 to 50, you need sort of the percentage here, the percentages sort of made it more clear for you. 59% of the students got A star. It's 29. Okay, no problem, Kunus. So if we have a base of 100, it's easy. And if base not equal to 100, we divide by the base. Base. Let me write it now. Can you rate my handwriting 1 to 10? Rate my handwriting 1 to 10. Oh, 8. It's very good. I thought that my handwriting is horrible. Okay, Muhammad, go to play, no problem. Go to pray, and if you did not understand anything, talk to me on Telegram. If anyone wants to go to pray, and if you can watch the recording and you can ask me on Telegram. Okay, let's move forward. Don't worry, Muhammad. I can re-explain to you again. Go and pray, no problem. Okay, 1.5. Good, Muhammad. I'll try to improve it. So, what we said was O level, sort of the easy percentages. More complex ones are coming. So, we have a test, O level math test. O level math test. And let's say Morahmi got 93% in the test. In the test, he scored 23 questions correctly. Correctly. How many questions were there on the test? Right, nice. 93. 90. No, Muhammad is clever. He got 93. Okay, Mo, no problem. 24 points. Okay, I did not get. Let's make it 92%. 92%. Okay, 92%. So how many questions? So we would say that 92% got him 23 questions correctly, right? What about 100%? How many questions? So we do cross multiplication times divide. That would be 100 times 23 over 92, which is equal 25. Did you get it this way or another way? Let me decrease the brightness. How did he get it, guys? How did he? What other way did he use it? Same. Okay, Kunuz, how did he get it? Okay, let's take another example. New value over original value times 100. So you did the same thing. 100 over, okay. It's this further percentage is used for IG. It's not included in pre-IG. Further, the increase and decrease is used in the IG, not pre-IG. It's the extended curriculum. The reverse percentages is in the extended curriculum, not in the core curriculum. Okay, let's take another example. 7% of X is 0.105. What is X? So 7 is equal to 0.105. 100 would be 1.5. Your pre-IGN ticket in school? I don't know, but I usually follow the syllabus, the core and the extended syllabus. It's written in the book as an extended core, as in reverse percentages is an extended topic. I can share the screen. No, I wouldn't want to share. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's take another example. A town has 3,500 families who own a car. Owning a car. Okay. How many families? Okay, it represents 28% of the population. How many families are there in total? Okay, for you, Muhammad, let me right here. Can you see it now? $20. How many families are there? So 28%, that would mean 3,500. 100% would be how much? Cross multiplication times divide. Let me get me. Okay. That's 20,500. Yeah. What else? Oh. Okay. Let's take a further example. It's a harder one. In a test, Keto scored 88%. He got three questions incorrectly. How many questions are there? It's a bit tricky. Okay, what's the answer, Mohammed? Yeah, it's 9% remaining. Thank you, Halaba. I think that will be enough to finish the lesson. How many questions are there? Questions. So Keto got 88% correctly. So 12% incorrectly, right? These 12% account for 3 questions. So how many questions in total? So 12% will be 3. 100% will be how much? Kunos said 25, and it's correct. 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 Okay, let's take another example. This one is nice. So, let's before asking you. Sorry, my headphones is a bit not good. Anyways, What is this class? I don't understand your question, Muhammad. Okay. So why does the pencil is not working? The better die. Oh, the Apple Pencil doesn't have any battery. Let me check a minute. Apple Pencil. It should be working. Yeah, but why can't I use the Apple Pencil? Let me search for an old stylus. A minute. Okay, we will sort of have this example, then conclude the lesson. Oh, here it worked. Good. Okay, quickly before the pencil dies. So, why does ice flow on water? Any idea? Because it's less dense. Yeah, it's less dense. Okay, good. So we have some water that froze, and its volume increased by 4%. Its final volume is what? That big number, meter cubed. What is the original volume? How would we solve that? It's 93%. So we have some water that froze, and its volume increased by 4%. If its final volume is 12,700,000 meters cubed, what's the original volume? يلا انا بس في حصه ممكن اكلمك اما اخلص. السلام عليكم. انا في حصه بغضة. سلام سلام سلام. Here it is. What's the original volume? So we know that it increased by 4%. So 104% will give 12,700,000 meters cubed. What's the 100%? Oh my god. No, Ali, it's not. It's actually less. You would say 12.7 million times 100 over 104. That will be equal. How much is that? One two two 1153846. It's about three significant figures. 12,200,000 meter cube. So did you understand the last question? It's a bit tricky because it's 104 increased. Okay, we will end up here. I can't charge your laptop while I'm in the lecture because basically I use sort of an extension that connects the mic to the iPad. So I'm not using the iPad's internal mic. A Blue Yeti mic, if anyone's here interested in podcasting or streaming. Yeah, I'm using a hub, yeah. And a Blue Yeti. So thank you. So why is it bad, Amro? Just say it. If you didn't like anything, say it. Like, I wouldn't do anything for you. I probably don't know where are you. You didn't understand. What didn't you understand? Amro. Okay. But what didn't you understand? Amro, what didn't you understand? Tell me points, or if you have my number in Telegram, you can ask me. Okay. See you guys, because the iPad will lie. Bye bye.